The next thing in Azure Active Directory, that is conditional access policy, and it is important how you can access it. It's by simply going to the Azure Active Directory, or you can go to the All Services Identity Azure Active Directory, and you can come down here to the security and go to the conditional access. So there are some policies over here. Let me go with a new policy, and policy name is my conditional access. Okay, users and group. I'm gonna select some basic users over here. So I'm going to select, sorry, test one, and done. And selected apps, or for the all cloud apps, or let me use some selected apps. If somebody access Office 365, Azure Management, Security, or SharePoint, Exchange, Outlook Groups, or Skype for Business, okay, done. If this user, okay, this is the user uh, one, and the action, if he is using those applications, okay, what will be the access? Sign in risk. Yes, if sign in risk is medium or high, then only. Depends on your environment. What need to be done? What kind of device? Platform. If he is using from Android, iOS, include them, okay, and exclude these two, or you can only include Windows only or Android only. Done. And depends on your environment again. Location, if he access, he should be access application from any location, or trusted location, or selected location. So selected, this is the trusted IPs. I am selecting that. Client apps, yes, he should be accessed from the browsers only and no mobile apps. Okay, it depends on you. You can select all of them or few of them as per your company's environment or policy. Device state, yes, done, done. So there are 5 condition has been selected. Access control. Access is, you have a choice right now. If there is a sign in risk, then you can simply block the access, or you can go to the grant access, but at least he should have required multi-factor authentication, okay, or require hybrid AD join device, or any one of the following. So I am simply going with the block access and select session. Okay, yeah, is sign in risk, then reports only, and create. So this is how conditional access we can create a policy. This is my conditional access policy over here. Later on you can edit if you want to add multiple user. If those users does not follow the criteria, those condition, definitely what you're gonna see, you're gonna find here Azure Active Directory, and one second. Okay, let me go via all services, identity, Azure Identity Protection, and you're gonna find over in the report if there is a sign in risk or risk detection has been there. So this is how we can access the conditional access. Thank you.